Let's talk about the latest launched Infinix smartphone 045G. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED 3D curved display, 6.78 inches Full HD plus punch hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 89.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 393 ppi. Pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone, the smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 108 megapixel wide-angle camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel depth camera. With rear triple LED flash, for selfies it has 50 megapixel centered punch-hole wide-angle front camera with front dual LED flash, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of XOS 14.5 screen on top the device, and the company provides with 2 years of major Android updates and 3 years of security patch updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.1 GHz single-core Cortex-A78 plus 3 GHz tri-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 Ultimate chipset, paired with Mali G610MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, with 12 GB of virtual RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.31 by 74.47 by 7.9 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options rock, black, moving titanium, violet garden colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt hyper-fast charging, 20-watt wireless charging, 10-watt reverse wired charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features, under display, fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, dual stereo speakers with tuned by JBL, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant. The Infinix 045G comes preloaded with Infinix AI, which includes a set of AI features. It has the popular AI Eraser, which removes unwanted objects from photos, and AI Wallpaper generates custom wallpapers from texts or images. The Infinix 045G also has the AI Cutout sticker feature, which lets you create stickers from image cutouts. With the new Infinix phone, you also get AI Vlog, which helps create social media ready vlogs. It also comes with AI Image Generator to create images from scratch, AI Translate for multilingual translations, and AI Text Generator to streamline content creation, infrared remote control support, and with NFC. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Infinix 045G has been priced in India for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 27,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 30,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Infinix 045G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.